Hey, it's Terry from Oracle Lighting, and I'm here to install today on our Bronco our laser LED fog lights. Let's get started. First, we'll need to remove the 3 shorter T40 bolts and 1 longer T40 bolt on the side. We're going to remove 2 panel clips. The second one is a recessed one, so you might need to pull the panel back a little bit to remove that clip. Pull the panel back a little bit to give complete access to our T40 bolts. You can use these 3 dials to adjust the height of each beam. Use a 10mm socket as shown, or if it's easier to reach when they're installed, you can actually use a Phillips head driver and the notch shown. Slide in fog light module from behind the bumper. Line up fog module, reinstall the screws finger tight. As a hint, I like to do 1 on the upper and then get the longer one started, and that holds everything in place, and then add the remaining 2 shorter T40s. Tighten the upper 3 T40 Torx screws. Once each of those have been tightened, you can tighten the longer T40 on the side. Reinstall panel clips. The smaller one will be the recessed one, the larger one will be the one to the outside. Now that we've got our lights installed, you can check us out at oraclelights.com for future lighting needs, and we've got great content there too, so install videos, blogs, and other great products for your Bronco.